Hello guys, today I'm going to be taking this 2024 Honda Accord Sport Hybrid on a POV test drive. This Accord is finished in platinum white. This is the base trim hybrid Accord you could buy. There is the Sport Hybrid, EXL Hybrid, Sport L, and Touring. And of course you could get the Accord with the 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. But let's go ahead and take this Sport Hybrid on a POV test drive and see how it does. And just like that, this Honda Accord is on. So as I said guys, there's 4 trims you could choose from on the hybrid engine. And then of course there is the 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. You could choose, I'm not exactly sure how many trims, but there's few trims you could choose on the 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. So let's go ahead and take this Accord on a drive and see how it does. There is 2 USB Type-Cs, which I like. Backup camera resolution is okay. Honda is using the same exact backup camera on all their cars. Not a big fan of that. For something like the Accord, they should use a better quality camera. It does have built-in Google Assistant and Alexa. The engine shut off, so it is on EV mode now. But yeah, let's go ahead and take this Accord on a drive and see how it does. Alright, so driving this 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid. Very quiet inside, feels very refined, and yeah, overall, such a beautiful car. At first, when it first came out, I wasn't a big fan of the design, but now it's growing on me. I think it does look good, especially this one. By the way, this one does not have Google Assistant. Only the Touring trim has it. So this one only has Alexa in it. And the Touring basically adds Bose sound system, a wireless phone charger, leather seats. Even the EXL actually adds leather seats. But overall, the interior and exterior of this Honda Accord is amazing. I really like the headlights and tail lights, and yeah, overall the design looks very good. So a 12.3 inch screen looks very good. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and they are wireless. Let's go ahead and put this Accord on sport mode and hop on the highway and see how it does. Oh yeah, this 2.0 naturally aspirated is powerful, but the only reason it's powerful because it is connected to a 1.3 kilowatt hour battery. So this Accord is hybrid, and the way how this sedan accelerates is just extremely smooth. I really like the way how it accelerates, extremely smooth as I said, and yeah, overall, such a beautiful, comfortable sedan. I think the ride quality would be a little bit better with smaller rims, so I still haven't tested the EXL and the LX trim, but suspension definitely feels stiff, but at the same time it is comfortable. A little bit of wind noise. Tire noise is actually very good, but there is road noise. So basically there is sounds that are coming from the wheels or from the tires into this cabin. I know this is not a luxury car, but I really wish it was a tiny bit better. Driving this Accord is honestly amazing. Very, very comfortable. I love the seats. They're not wrapped in leather. If you guys need leather, you have to go for one trim above this. And this Accord has all the nice safety features. I'll talk about the safety features when I have on the other side of the highway. But let's go ahead and talk about this 2.0 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine connected to the 1.3 kilowatt hour battery. So the combined numbers are 204 horsepower and the torque is 247, and honestly it does feel that it has 247 horsepower, 247 torque. It accelerates nice and smooth. Overall, beautiful hybrid system, nice and smooth, and I really like this eCVT transmission. There is a LCD screen in front of me. I love the fact that it shows the stop signs, and I love the fact that it shows when I hit the brake, when I have my turn signal indicators on or lights off or on. It shows it in that small tiny screen. Steering wheel is extremely light, wrapped in leather. Let's go ahead and put this Accord in sport mode. There's 4 drive modes you could choose from: individual, sport, eco, and normal. I love that pumped in sound. It does make the car feel sporty. This car accelerates extremely smooth, very, very responsive, and there is no delays at all. Let me go ahead and test Honda sensing. Steering assist is active, lane keeping assist is active, adaptive cruise control is active. This Honda Accord has all the nice safety features: emergency braking, blind spot monitoring system, rear cross traffic, and the lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and steering assist. It's going to give me a message once in a while to tell me that I have to touch the steering wheel, so the car knows that I'm paying attention. Very good system. There is paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Those paddle shifters are for the regen braking. So if you want to slow down, you could just hit the paddle shifters and the car will slow down, regenerate, or give power back to the battery. But such an amazing car, very, very comfortable. The price on this one is $33,000. Definitely much better than the Honda Civic I just finished driving. The Civic EXL hatch I drove was $30,000 with destination. This car is $33,000, and I would definitely go with this one. And the MPGs are much better since it's a hybrid. The MPGs are 46 in the city, 41 on the highway, and 41 combined. Let's go ahead and test the handling here. Oh man, this is very, very smooth. It does it very easy. Brakes are definitely good. In sport mode, the steering wheel becomes heavy, the car becomes a little bit more responsive, and the brakes become a tiny bit better. Let's go ahead and put this thing back in normal mode. Interior is nice and spacious. The seats are extremely comfortable. I love the fact that I could lower the seat all the way down. The rims on this Honda Accord look amazing. The size is 235, 40, 19. And as I told you guys, this Honda Accord soaks up the bumps pretty good, but the suspension is stiff, so handling is good. If you need something a little bit more comfortable, then you have to go with the EXL trim. I love the fact that there's a volume knob right here. Apple CarPlay looks amazing on this 12.3-inch screen. And I believe the screen right here in front of me is 8 inches, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe 10.25-inch screen. Regen braking works amazing. Paddle shifters feel a little bit on the cheaper side, but that's fine. Plasticky. I love the gloss black. The interior looks very good. The steering wheel has a nice design to it. It is wrapped in leather, by the way. As you guys see, I am signaling, and it is displaying it in that small tiny car icon. Seeing out of this car is amazing. Comfortable seats, as I said, and the second row, or the back seats, are very spacious. A ton of trunk space. To slow down, I could just hit the minus paddle shifter and it will actually slow down. Regen braking, basically. And as I said, guys, steering wheel is extremely light. Oh yeah, this car feels very confident. By the way, guys, Honda system is very good. I'll show you their system. It is nice and responsive. $204 horsepower and 246 pound-feet of torque is enough, but I don't think this could replace the 2.0 turbocharged four-cylinder engine that Accord had from 2018 through 2022. I love the graphics. Everything feels nice and smooth, no lag, and yeah, overall such an amazing sedan. As I said, guys, wasn't a big fan of the design when it first came out, but I think the design looks very good. I did see a few of them on the road, and they honestly look very premium. Definitely much better than the Camry. Down here there is the drive mode. This button right here will keep the car basically in EV mode or auto mode if you want to. There's e-brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, nice and big, 2 USB type C's, which is amazing. Climate controls are very easy to use. I love this design right here. All Honda products have this design, but slightly different. The Civic has slightly different design. Again, guys, I really like this volume knob. Extremely small, but I'm glad that there is one. Their system is just amazing, very smooth and very good. I'm not sure if there's a way to be able to get rid of this. Apple CarPlay, as I told you guys, beautiful. You could make it small. You could have that on the right side, or you could make it big. Beautiful. I love the fact that Honda gave us that option. There is the power flow. You could see when is the hybrid on, or when the engine is on. 31 mpgs. As I told you guys, it does get 46 mpgs in the city and 41 on the highway, and 44 combined. Beautiful to see. 550 miles of range on this Accord hybrid. So very good. And yeah, a ton of space. I really like the cloth Honda is using. Very comfortable, good cushion. This right here is wrapped in leather, but it's very hard. This is soft. This is soft. LED lights, which is expected because the Civic did have it. SOS, lights for the interior. There is glasses holder and a power sliding moonroof. But yeah, overall beautiful, comfortable interior, nice and quiet. A ton of storage place with 112 volt inside. I'm not sure if there is actually any USBs back there, but there is no air vents. But yeah, overall really impressed with this Honda Accord. This is my first time driving the Accord hybrid. But yeah, truly impressed with this Honda Accord. 33,000 is not bad. I think could be slightly less, but yeah, overall such a beautiful car from the outside and inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this POV test drive of this 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport. If you guys are around, if you guys are interested, make sure to come and see Xavier here at Executive Honda in Wallingford. And if you guys are interested in any car detailing products, make sure to check out my website. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the bottom of this video. And if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, please like and subscribe, because it does help a lot. And as always, I'll see you next time.